Hello students, in today's class let us know more about the digestive system. The human digestive system starts from our mouth and it comprises of many organs like the salivary glands which secrete saliva, the esophagus through which the food enters the stomach, and the digested food then for absorption enters the small intestine, and undigested food gets into the large intestine and comes out through the anus and rectum. All these organs are then again supported by different smaller organs like the liver, gallbladder, pancreas. We eat food. Our body grows with the help of food that we eat. But that food cannot be used up simply by the body. It has to be broken down. The process of breaking down first starts in the mouth. We chew the food that we eat several times and it gets mixed up by the saliva. Saliva has different chemicals which mix up the food and then pass it through the food pipe, also called as the esophagus. In the esophagus, there is a certain type of movements which help the food to move slowly into the stomach. The food then is further broken down in the stomach or is digested completely in the stomach and then moves into the intestine to be absorbed and the nutrients sent to different parts of the body for it to grow. Let us know more about it in detail. We eat food from the mouth, also called as the oral cavity. We bite the food into tiny pieces with the help of our teeth. As we chew or bite the food and break it into smaller pieces, the saliva from the salivary glands are secreted and mix up and make it into a fine paste. This fine paste is mixed thoroughly with the salivary juices which start breaking down the food. The food is then passed through the esophagus, also called as the gullet or the food pipe. It slowly passes into the food pipe and moves into the stomach. And here in the stomach, again it is further digested or broken down by certain juices that our stomach secretes. These juices make sure our food is completely digested. But still then some pieces of food remain, which the food then enter into the small intestine. Here in the small intestine, the food is further broken down into more tinier pieces so that it gets absorbed by the blood. These intestines are lined by blood vessels or veins which absorb nutrients required by the body for it to grow, like proteins, carbohydrates, sugar, vitamins and minerals. Then the food that is undigested or larger pieces or chunks of food that is left undigested in the intestine, specifically in the small intestine, moves into the larger intestine. Here they are further broken down, and once they break down, it comes out in the form of waste product or the excreta through the rectum. Fluid particles come out in the form of urine through the anus. Do you know why babies are fed with soft, mushy, pre-cooked food? Yes, because they do not have teeth and do not have the power to chew or bite the food into smaller pieces. The digestive system is also supported by different organs like the liver, the gallbladder and the pancreas. These help in the process of digestion. These secrete juices which help in the digestion of the food and absorption of the same in the intestine. Kidneys are also associated with the digestive system as they help in purification of the blood and removal of excess of water from the body. This was all about the digestive system. Thank you.